At a press conference held on the 9th of November 2022, members of the Hynñiewtrep Youth Council, the HYC, had announced their protest program, wherein they will be holding a peaceful protest march at 1 p.m. from Madan Iewrynghep, Shillong, to the Additional Secretariat on the 10th of November. This has been organized to oppose the government's failure to release scholarships to students for the year 2021-2022. The Education Secretary of the HYC, Hynñiewtrep, informed that the deadline given by the organization to the government for disbursement of scholarship to the students was over today, the 9th of November. Sawian further added that permission has been sought from the District Commissioner of East Khas for the protest march. However, even with the Section 144 CRPC in force, the organization will go ahead with the program scheduled for the 10th of November, wherein it is expected that students from across Khasi and Jaintia Hills and Ribhoi will be joining in.
We have decided, we the HYC leader, along with the student leader from different respective colleges of the state, we have decided that we will be holding a peaceful protest march, which will begin tomorrow from Iewrynghep Fair Bukit Ground towards Additional Secretariat. So we call upon each and every concerned student who are aggrieved by this act of the government to come forward and join me so that we can voice our demand against this adamant attitude of the government towards the student of the state. I won't give an exact number, but we have had our representative from the Ribhoi College, from Nongstoin College, from Sora College. We also have our representative from Niu and from Shillong Law College, and I think so maximum the number of colleges that will be attended tomorrow, we expected around 40 to 50 colleges will be joining us tomorrow in the tomorrow protest.